Hey, what's up you all? This is Steve, your Captain Chef. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I want to share with you one of the most popular recipes in Northeast Chinese cuisine. It's called crispy sweet and sour pork slices. Meant for cooking as eating. Let's get started.
Slice pork tenderloin into 5mm slices. Add 1 teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Other ingredients include ginger, garlic, scallion, carrot, and cilantro. To prepare the sauce, add a 1/4 cup condensed vinegar and a 1/4 cup of water. Add 5 tablespoons sugar, half teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chicken bouillon, and 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Add a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil to the meat. Add 1 cup of starch and use water to make to the desired consistency. Fry the pork slice piece by piece. Take the slices out when they turn light brown. Heat the oil further up and fry the slices for a second time to make them crispy. Now add the fried pork in the wok. Add the other ingredient in the wok and stir fry. Add the sauce in the wok at this time. Add a little bit of sesame oil. Final touch by adding some seasoned oil.
This is the crispy sweet and sour pork slices I'm talking about. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel so you won't miss any of my future posting. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you take care.